I was an analyst, I used to keep track of my models in so many terrible ways. I'd use Excel sheets, I'd have random lines in code, I'd even have post-it notes on desks, but there's a much better way, and that's MLflow Experiment Tracking. I've been iterating on this Airbnb dataset, and here are all the models I've created. Each model is called a run, and they're grouped together under an experiment. Here I can compare all of my models, various metrics I've captured, parameters I'm interested in, and any tags I might have added. Now, tables are good and all, but what I like is a good visual. Here are some default charts, but we can add our own too. If we want to narrow it down even further, we can compare a few in detail. All of our run names automatically generated are adjective, animal, number, and we can see that Stylish Crane 103 is our best model for root mean squared error. Sorry, funny goose. When I go to the run itself, I get even more useful information. Each run has details, including a unique ID, the massive list of parameters used, and each metric the model was evaluated on. We can turn these into charts if we want, along with the cluster usage metrics. But the Artifacts tab is my favourite. It's not just the model we're interested in. Here we can see the required inputs and outputs for the model, which is really useful if we're working with another team to do the inference, which they can do with either a Spark or Pandas data frame with only a few lines. Environment setup for the new team is a breeze. Whether you need a YAML or a text requirements file or a pickle or a Jupyter notebook, it's all made and saved for you. If you're using Databricks with a machine learning runtime, all of this logging is done automatically for you. But on the off chance you're not, install MLflow and set auto logging for the framework you're using. If you like Databricks and want to see what else is hot in data and AI, follow for more.